Welcome to Luxoro Homes. Luxury has gone beyond houses, beyond yachts, and even beyond private jets. Today, billionaires are living inside motorhomes so insane that you'll have a hard time believing they actually exist. We're not talking about ordinary RVs or camping vans. These are two-story moving mansions with rooftop terraces, hidden sports car garages, and interiors that look like five-star hotels. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving into the top 5 most insane double-decker motorhomes you'll never afford. Mercedes, one of the most luxurious motorhomes in North America. With a price tag of nearly $1.8 million, it's a two-story giant that combines size with sophistication. From the outside, it looks like a premium tour bus, but the moment you enter, you realize it's something else entirely. The upstairs deck is designed as a spacious lounge and entertainment area, while the downstairs offers a full living space, including a master bedroom, luxury kitchen, and even a mini office. The bedroom comes with a king-size bed, soft lighting, and luxury curtains for privacy. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, glossy marble surfaces, and warm ambient lighting, making it feel like a modern condo kitchen. The washroom is equally impressive, with a marble sink, glass shower. And then there's the cockpit. An enormous panoramic windshield gives the driver a view that feels almost like flying in an airplane. Combine that with ultra-comfortable leather seats, and you've got the smoothest ride money can buy. The Mercedes is less of a motorhome and more of a private rolling penthouse. We have the Volkner Mobile Performance S Double Floor Edition. This German-engineered luxury motorhome costs around $1.7 million, but the technology and engineering that goes into it make it priceless. From the outside, it's sleek and minimal. Inside, the bedroom feels like a luxury European hotel, with cream leather walls, a modern king-size bed, and panoramic windows that let you wake up with breathtaking views. The kitchen is modern and stylish, featuring white cabinets, glass shelves stocked with wine, and futuristic LED lighting. The washroom is spa-inspired, with a compact yet elegant shower, wooden vanity, and marble flooring. The cockpit is equally advanced, with futuristic dashboards and luxury driver seats that make even long road trips feel effortless. The Volkner Mobile Performance S is proof that German engineering knows no limits. A perfect combination of technology, comfort, and pure extravagance. Hey, Hollywood has its own version of luxury on wheels, and it comes in the form of the Heat by Anderson Mobile Estates. Priced at more than $2 million, this double-decker motorhome is specially designed for A-list celebrities. And trust me, it has been used by some of the biggest names in Hollywood, from Will Smith to Tom Hanks. The exterior looks sleek and futuristic, but once you step inside, it feels like walking into a celebrity mansion. The ground floor expands with moving walls to create a huge lounge area, complete with plush sofas, luxury carpets, and a flat-screen entertainment system. The kitchen has wooden cabinets, granite countertops, and modern appliances, perfect for a private chef to whip up gourmet meals. Upstairs, you'll find a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, and a private theater setup where stars can relax between movie shoots. Even the washroom feels premium, with LED lighting, a compact yet stylish design, and luxury fittings. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a five-star hotel on wheels, built specifically for those who refuse to compromise on luxury, even while traveling. No wonder Hollywood can't get enough of it. Next up is the Featherlight Ventur Platinum Plus, a $2.5 million masterpiece that redefines luxury travel. From the outside, it may look like a sleek, futuristic bus, but the inside is something you have to see to believe. The interior features Italian leather walls, handcrafted marble floors, and custom wood furniture. Each detail screams elegance and wealth. The kitchen looks like it was pulled out of a luxury apartment in Manhattan, with marble counters, glossy cabinets, and state-of-the-art appliances. The bedroom features silk sheets, a king-size bed, and a chandelier right above. Imagine waking up to that while traveling cross-country. The cockpit is equally luxurious, with plush leather seats and a chrome-finished dashboard that feels more like the cockpit of a private jet than a bus. With Featherlight, you don't just travel, you arrive in style. The Element Palazzo Superior by Marchi Mobile. This futuristic giant costs over $3 million dollars and holds the crown as the most expensive motorhome ever built. Its design looks like something from the year 2050, with a rounded aerodynamic body, glowing LED lines, and a presence that makes every other vehicle on the road look small. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxury lounge with panoramic windows, ambient golden lighting, and high-end leather interiors. The bedroom is nothing short of royal, a king-size round bed placed under a starry ceiling, giving you the feeling of sleeping in a five-star suite. The washroom is equally stunning, with marble sinks, golden faucets, and a glass shower cabin. The cockpit looks like a spaceship. Leather captain chairs, holographic controls, and there you have it. The top 5 most insane double-decker motorhomes you'll never afford. From rooftop sky lounges, these rolling mansions prove one thing. Luxury has no boundaries when you have unlimited money. So here's the question. If money was no object, which of these incredible motorhomes would you choose for your dream road trip? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more insane luxury showcases. Until next time, keep dreaming big and rolling in style.